Since you provide a lot of financing for middle market deals, what's your outlook for 2012?
2012 will be a very interesting year, very similar to probably 2009. It's going to be a back-end loaded year because of the tax implications of a new Congress. So we expect 2012 December quarter to be a monster quarter, but during the year it'll ramp up to that. So you'll see first quarter calendar 2012 a little bit slower, growing, to be a very big quarter due to the uncertainty of what's going to happen to long-term tax rates.
And you mentioned that next year is going to be a good time to finance deals. Why is that?
Well, it'll be a good time for us lenders. I don't know that it's such a great time for borrowers. I think that the supply of capital is going to be constrained from a couple of factors. One, of course, European deleveraging is going to trickle down to the United States. Two, you have a large supply of CLOs that are going to roll off starting next year. I know we've been talking about this for years, but it's actually coming, the wall of CLO refinancings, and that'll cause a lot of supply that needs to be refinanced in the market. And three, I think you're going to see even deleveraging here in the United States. Even GE, a large lender into the group, right, takes a lot of their money into commercial paper. According to the new Basel III rules, commercial paper is going to be very difficult to finance, in fact, more expensive to finance. So GE's cost of capital is going to go up, and GE is a major factor also in the senior market.
What tier of the capital structure do you think we're going to see the most activity?
It's definitely going to be senior. I mean, it depends on the differences in time. Mezzanine and second lien are always there, but it's really not that big. I know you hear a lot about mezzanine and second lien, but mezzanine providers are basically niche providers, often regional providers. Senior is the largest market by far, and as we talked about, the CLO roll-off is part of the reason senior is really important, but also the pullback in the eventual pullback in the banking system is where senior comes into play and becomes a larger part.